Dude, kids these days are insane. I know that kids in every generation is crazy. Even when I was a kid, I've had some fair share of naughtiness or mischievousness. And the same goes to the other generation, like boomer or millennial. They have some fair share of craziness. But now, let me tell you something. I was shocked. If you've heard the news about the Tacloban incident, then you know what I'm talking about. It's about a school involving two kids. I know you're going to think or you're gonna say anything like, "Oh, Mike, you know that we've been experiencing school since 1999, like that." But mind you, we're in the Philippines. We don't do that stuff, you know? So, like, yeah, it's like a new thing in our server. And I've also seen a video or a post where a girl or a kid stabbed another kid. Like, hello? Like, what are we doing? You know, it's like incident after an incident. It's like it's not even a week after that happened. And I've also heard from a sibling that his classmates are doing things that they shouldn't be doing at their age. Like, you know what I mean? Like gooning or something like that. And I know what you're gonna say that, oh, just let them be. They're just young men, they're young. But they're kids. And what's worse, they're doing it in public, in their classroom, where people can see them. Even their teacher have seen it and they are warned. And you know what they did? They're still doing it. Like, man, I don't know what to do with these kids. No. And after the Tacloban incident, some kids are posting that they're going to do the same thing. Like, what are we doing? No, no, like, why are kids like this? And I know that you're thinking to yourself that, what are the governments doing? They're going to ban games. Literally, games. They're banning Minecraft. What does Minecraft have to do with violence? You just literally just mine and craft. Get it? Because it's Minecraft. And they're not just banning Minecrafts. No, no, no. They're banning many more. And there was one game that they have to call the game developer. And I think the game isn't the problem here. The problem lies within the foundation of our life. You know where that is? It's in our home or the environment around us. Home is where we are being nurtured. You don't learn manners from school or in other people, but you learn manners in your home. People are being shaped by the environment or in their homes. As you can observe that when a child that grows in a kanang very calm environment or very calm home, then he tend to grow up to be a calm person. And likewise, the other, if you go to a very chaotic environment, then you will grow chaotic, because that's what we see during our childhood. You know, as a child, we observe and observe. Do you observe a child or a baby? When you feed it something, they will eat it, because yeah, as a children, we observe anything like if they're going to grab something, they put it directly in their mouth, like a toy, they will shove it in their mouth, or a pacifier, they will shove it in their mouth, because they observe. Do you notice that kids tend to imitate what they've seen? You know, when they saw a movie about fighting and they start shadowboxing, or a movie about singing and then they start singing. So kids observe anything what they observe. So as a home, as a guardian, as a parent, you ought to guide them of what they are observing and observing, because kids are like a blank slate, and you as a parent is the artist. The children reflect what you are as a parent. Let's say that your children is a little bit messy. So what does that tell you? So it might be that their parents are messy. Of course, we can't judge, maybe there's another reason why he's messy, but usually that's the case. So please, parents, nurture your kids. Give time to your children. Observe what they're doing, especially online. Everything is so easy because of the internet. You can just tap or you can just click and then you can see anything. So please watch your children. And of course, watch yourself. Be a good example to your children.